This is how you replace a phone or a laptop screen in After Effects. Got the footage beneath of the iPhone with the green screen and the tracking markers, and then I've got the footage that I would like inside the phone just here, and then we can make that disappear with the eye icon here. I'm going to go to animation, track motion, and this new tracking window will appear. And then I'm going to change the track type to perspective corner pin, and then just move each of these pins to the crosshair section, these tracking points. And then once I moved all the points, I'm just going to analyze forward like this. I'm going to edit target and select the clip that we want inside the phone, and then apply. Then I'm going to reveal the footage layer again, scale it up by pressing S on my keyboard till it fills the phone. And then I'm going to drag that beneath the phone layer. We're going to add a key light to the phone layer. Going to eyedrop the green on the screen color, change the view to screen matte. Then I'm going to open screen matte, decrease the white till it's pure white, so about 80. Then I'm going to increase the black till it's pure black. On the screen deposit white, I'm going to increase this until the dots disappear, the markers on the phone, and then change that back to final result. And voila, it's perfectly inside the phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.